Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down there at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support going forward is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2.15. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.15, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can somehow manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. And as long as the price stays above it, which as you can see here, has been doing a great job of providing support. So as long as this continues to occur where the price stays above it, then the bulls are in 100% full control of the charts. Again, yeah, staying above 215 would be great, but grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price is above the purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. That seems to be right up there around $2.40. Yeah, I get it. The price did technically go up above there a couple of times, but just kind of splitting the difference and finding the main general area of the price congestion. In my mind, that seems to be right around $2.40. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very, very nice movement today. And, this one's definitely on a tear. For those of you that are members to my subscription service, congratulations. As I'm sure you know, this was alerted back when it was like $1.10, and now it's up over 100% since the alert. So if you participated in that alert, congratulations to you. Well done, and congrats on the profits. And it looking like it may not be done. Like I said, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, puts in higher lows, then everything else will continue to take care of itself, which includes breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on building higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.